Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with some cilantro lime chicken tacos. It doesn't have to be Tuesday for tacos, guys. If you're interested in learning how to make this recipe, stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to start off with our sauce. Of course, this is the cilantro lime sauce from the Pico de Gallo burger video. I will link that video in the description box below. But this is basically just some mayo, sour cream, lime, cilantro, a jalapeno, some salt, pepper, garlic, I think that's it. And you just place all those ingredients in a food processor and blend, and just place that in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Okay, now on to our slaw. What I have here is some shredded cabbage, and I'm gonna take that cilantro lime sauce and just drizzle it all over, and we're gonna mix it until we make a slaw. Go ahead and place that in the fridge as well. Now we're gonna move on to our tortillas. I do not like just plain corn tortillas or plain flour tortillas. So what I have here is something called half and half tortillas. It's like half corn and half flour. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna toast them with a little bit of vegetable oil. Now if I had corn tortillas, I usually just fry them in the oil, but since it's half and half, I decided just to toast one side of them and just place them on a paper towel to drain. So I did about 5 of these, but it's up to you how you want to do your tortillas, but I feel like it's foolproof and it's good this way, so why change? So now we're going to start working on our meat. What I have here is some onions that I'm sauteing, and I'm going to add some salt and pepper to them. I'm taking some mi tienda taco meat. Y'all, I love this meat. It's pretty much pre-made taco meat that's been seasoned. This is seasoned diced chicken thighs. So I'm just gonna add that to my skillet with my onions and mix. I did end up seasoning this again, even though it is seasoned, y'all. I'm black, I'm sorry. This is what black people do. We take seasoned stuff and we season it again. So as you can see, I'm adding on some onion powder, some cumin, some paprika just for some color, and I think I added on some chili powder as well. Y'all, I love this meat. If your grocery store has any type of fajita meat that's been seasoned and prepackaged and ready for you just to cook it, I would recommend buying it because it'll save you a ton of time, especially if you really don't know how to season your food. These are pretty well seasoned, but you know, y'all, I'm black. I gotta add on a little bit extra. So now we're gonna take our tortillas and we're just going to start building our tacos. So we're going to start by adding our cilantro lime slaw to each of our tortillas, and then on top of that you'll see me adding my taco meat. This is optional, but I wouldn't skip it, y'all. I'm just adding on a little bit of avocado to each of my tacos. I love avocado. And then on top of that, I'm adding some queso quesadilla cheese, and I did put it in the microwave for just a little bit so the cheese can melt. And then of course is the cilantro lime sauce. And then I'm just gonna top my tacos with a little bit of cilantro and some lime, and that's it, y'all. Cilantro lime chicken tacos. Taco Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. These are really good. If your tacos only have 1 or 2 ingredients, you slipping. You gotta put about 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ingredients in those tacos to be good. But y'all, these were really good. Just squeeze a little bit of lime on top, and I promise you, you'll love me. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and leave a comment down below. I will see y'all in the next video.